Hello guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make and set up a Minecraft server, and that always starts up. I don't know why. Anyways, so what you want to do is go to Minecraft.net. It's right up here, and go to download, and then you'll see you can download the exe, but I really prefer the jar. So the first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to download it. Save as, and since I want to save it to my D drive, I already have a server folder, but for this tutorial, let me just put Minecraft, something like that, and let's go to local this D server. Oh wait, no, that's not it. I have Minecraft server.jar. You want to keep it as a .jar. I already have the folder open. And so the next thing that you'll want to do, it says launch it with Java Xmx1024M Minecraft server.jar with no GUI. I don't think they need a period. I don't think it has anything to do with it. We'll see in a second. Anyways, what these two values are, these are the maximum and the minimums of the RAM that is allocated when it's launched. I believe that this is the maximum, and this is the minimum. And with every Java application, you have to have Java, and then you have to have the jar, and then if it's and you have to have it in the same folder for it to work with the name. So we'll just paste that into Notepad. I use Notepad++. It's more up to you. Anyway, so you want to save this as let me do something really quickly. Minecraft launch. And most tutorials just tell you save as type, and it's really up to you on what you want to save it as. I mean, this works if you have Notepad++. Some people just say to do this. Some people will say I just said that you can use a text file. You just have to rename it. Just take out the .text and put in .bat. Bat is a batch file, and basically it will run with command prompts. It will launch with command prompts. So whenever I do this, it will allocate 1 GB of RAM to it, launch it with Java, and you'll see this thing. It says fail to load whitelist, and yes, I mean, I'll show you in a second how to get the IP. Actually, I probably won't do that, but just for security reasons, what you want to do is open up here and type in ipconfig. I'll probably edit this next part out or black it out, but yeah, nah, I don't think I have to. But anyways, yeah, you'll see your IPv4 address. This isn't it. This is VirtualBox. That is a whole different program. That isn't it. Just to put into perspective, but you can have 4 ports on it. I might go into that later on. And here's my IPv4 address. I believe I already have my, this is actually completely safe, because you guys can't really do anything with this. It's LAN. If you do anything with it, I keep a lot of stuff. Anyways, I'll keep the logs, but anyways, I don't think that you can do anything with it. It's just all local. And if you use this, you're not really going to get anything. Anyways, sorry about that. So this is your server.properties. You'll find it, and it will be created whenever you start up the server for the first time. You'll have world, banned IPs, banned players, launch, server.jar, ops, server log, serverlog.lck. There's really no difference. You just have to open it up with Notepad. And then there's the whitelist. So I'm going to explain what the server.properties are. These are the settings for the server they will be running on. It's a level name. You can pick whatever you want. I'm just going to keep it with world. It's easiest for me. Allow nether equals true. View distance, I guess that's how far that you can see whenever you join. You can put that down, but 10 is the maximum. If you want to spawn monsters in true, online mode, if you put it to false, it will still technically be online. It's just that people who are using people can change their names, use the cracked versions of Minecraft, which are illegal. I'm not going to put any sort of download link to it. Um, but I mean, yeah, it doesn't really. Yeah, I mean, never mind. Yeah, keeping it true means that hackers can't really join your server and change their name to yours and do whatever. And so the difficulty equals 1. 0 is like creative. Actually, one would be creative and game mode. 0 would be this. Difficulty 0 would be like peaceful. Spawn animals. I like that true. Max players, you can probably figure what this is. And the server IP. This is what you want the IP config for. So basically, what you'll do is you'll type in your IPv4 address. 192.168.1.127. And you'll want to say after this, just in case you accidentally exit out for whatever reason. PvP equals true. I always like that. I'm just gonna be honest. Allow flight, false. You can be banned. You can be kicked for it. I mean, I've been kicked for it for a long time. But anyways, your MOTD and the server list will display. It will display under your server IP address. So I don't know. Best. Whitelist false. If you want it. Port forwarding. That's whatever port that you forward. I think that it has to be somewhere in the 2000s to run best. I forget what the actual port range is. You can look it up. This is when it was made, I guess. So now, if we launch it, it will say you've launched it on my IP, preparing the spawn area, and it will be up. Oh wait, I guess I should make a new map. Looks like I deleted the old one. Anyways, yeah. So this is how to basically set up a Minecraft server. A while ago, when looking at how to set up a Gary's Mod server, I came up with I found something that was pretty cool. I'm not sure if it'll work for Minecraft. I'm just gonna try it out really quickly. It's it was me. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just want to figure out how to open it up and make it loop. So what you have to do is just add this semicolon and then the name of it, the loop, and then the start. So in order to put this like right here, since I sort of want to clear the screen. I mean, it doesn't matter if you don't want to CLS, just do it beforehand. And go to start and make some backup here and start again. Once this is done, I don't want you guys to have to like open up 50 windows at once. That'd be pretty funny though. No, don't terminate it. And there you go. It's restarted. It is persistent and it lets you choose if you want to debug it or if you want to instantly put it back up. If you have to restart or something like that, I sort of like this for that reason. But yeah. So that's sort of how to set up a basic server. And I mean, well, if you want to like set up mods or something like that, I would suggest using Bucket, which a simple search will bring up Bucket. Bucket forums, bucket.org. And you'll just go to craft bucket and so like let me stop this and I will post that launch in the source code. Well, I will put the launch source code in the description, and next video I'll show you how to set up a Bucket server. Little adventure for me and for you.